Keep 7 grains of rice in your pocket today and see what happens next in your life. This is a very powerful rice spell. It is a powerful money spell to make money, love, prosperity, and wealth come to you fast. This is a very, very powerful secret that nobody knows. In fact, nobody is going to tell you this. But I will tell you today so that you too can manifest with this. It is very simple. It's not going to take you long. This powerful spell is easy but powerful. All right. A lot of people have been manifesting with this. A lot of people have been sharing their testimony of using this. I have used this and it's worked. So I really want you to try this too. My name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. If you want videos like this that can help you manifest your love, money, and all your heart desires, you should do this right now. All right, this is exactly what you're going to do. You need to get 7 grains of rice. This is rice over here. Okay, this is rice. So for this spell, you can use any type of rice. You can use basmati rice. You can use white rice. You can use any type of rice that you have. Long grain rice, it's all good. All right. So you just want to make sure that you do this. You can do this in the morning. You can do it in the afternoon. You can do it at night. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So now, I want you to get 7 pieces of rice. Place it in your left hand like this. All right. You make sure you count it to make sure it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces of rice. That's what I've got in my hand. So now you are going to say a very powerful prayer over this. You know the power of 7 is very great. When you use the power of 7, I mean number 7, when you use it with rice to manifest, it works faster. Biblically, 7 number is a very, very powerful, is a God's number. It's a mystical number. It works like fire. If you are saying 7, number 7 every single day, you are lucky because your angel is trying to tell you that everything is going to come to you. That's what it means. If you are dreaming about 7, you're always saying 7. You see 7 on the wall clock. You see 7 on the wall. You see it on a plank. You've seen it everywhere. It means things are going to come for you fast. That's what it means. So you really want to tap into the power of this to make things happen for you. So now once you get 7 grains of rice, you want to pray over it. You say, God Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth, I'm actually using this to bring money to me. Make this rice bring money to me. I've been living in poverty. I've been begging for money. I'm always crying. I'm always in depression. I'm always angry. Please, I want all of this to stop in my life. I want money to come to me. Big money. I want it to come to me. I want love to come to me. I want prosperity to come to me. I want big money to flow to me. My business, I want it to grow. My investment, I want it to have profit. My business, I want it to get customers and sales. I want to get increased raise at my job. I want to get a new job, a well-paying job. I want to stop poverty in my life after this in the mighty name of God. At this point, if you are enjoying this video, I really want you to like this video. I want you to press the like button and I want you to join your faith right now with mine because I have big deep faith that this is going to work for you. So write in the comment section right now, say, after hiding 7 grains of rice in my pocket, money is going to flow to me in the mighty name of God. Big money is going to come to me in the mighty name of God. Write it in the comment section right now. Say, today is my day. This spell is going to bring miracles and blessings and miracles into my life in the mighty name of God. Make sure you write in the comment section. I always say this because your faith is very powerful. If you don't have any faith, this is not going to work for you. That's why your faith is very powerful, it's very important. Write it in the comment section. So now, once you've done that, you will now take this rice, you will take it and you are going to hide it in your pocket like this. Okay. So you keep it in your pocket, for like a few hours. Okay. The thing is, when money wants to come to you, it comes to you in the form of your pocket, your wallet, your bank account, all those areas, your purse. So now your pocket is the first place that you're going to put it. Okay. So when you put it in your pocket like this, okay, you are going to say, from today, rice is going to bring money into my pocket. My pocket will never run dry. My pocket will never run dry. Money will be in abundance in my pocket in the mighty name of God. When I put my hand in my pocket, I would bring out money in the mighty name of God. I will never put my hand in the pocket with empty-handed. See? When you put your hand in your pocket, there is nothing in there. That doesn't make any sense and it's not good. So God actually wants you to live in abundance. That's why when you do this, it's going to bring money into your pocket. So now, after putting this rice in your pocket for a few hours, you are not going to take it out. You will take it out from your pocket like this. Okay? You will bring it out from your pocket after a few hours. It may be 3 hours, after 3 hours, it may be after 5 hours. You are not going to take it out, and you're going to grab your purse. This is where your purse comes in. So you grab your purse and you are going to hide this rice inside your purse. It's very important, please. So you put it inside your purse. All right, make sure that inside your purse you have some money in there. It may be some dollars, it may be some pounds, it may be some naira. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure there are money inside your purse. So you make sure you put it there, and you're going to hide the 7 pieces of rice in there. So now you will now say another prayer again. You say, from today, my purse will never run dry. From today, money will be abundant in my purse. Money will flow into my purse. Money will flow into my life. Money will flow into my business. Money will flow in the mighty name of God in my life after this. So now, when you do that, you're going to leave it in your purse just for a few days. All right. Now, you may look inside your purse and check the rice. Some rice may be missing in there. If anything misses in your rice, that's a good sign. It means the universe is already working. It means those spiritual workers have already taken the rice to bless you with abundant money. That's what it means. It's a success. If you look in the purse and you find that maybe 1 rice is missing, or maybe 2 rice is missing, or maybe 3 rice is missing, it means things are already working in your favor. The universe is now in your case, trying to bring money into your life. That's what it means. So when you do this, within these days, when this rice is in your purse, you will start to see changes in your life. Okay, you might wake up on a day, on a morning, on the afternoon, and see that things are already working in your life. You can see that things are already working. You can see that, okay, that you might wake up and you get a call that you already won that contract. You might wake up and see that, okay, you already won that billions of dollars, millions of dollars that you bid for. You might wake up tomorrow and get a call that you have already won that multi-million lottery that you bid for. So these are the things that are possible by God Almighty. God Almighty can do anything. Nothing is impossible in the universe. So these are the things that has been happening, that people have been getting, and you too should get yours. Yours should never be difficult in the mighty name of God. So go right ahead and do that. Once it has worked, come and share your testimony on my channel, and I can't wait to read your testimony. So for more spiritual videos, watch this video over there. For more spiritual guide, join membership on my channel, and God bless you as you do so. Remember to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. God bless you. I love you. Bye bye.